let's kick it off. There we go. Start them out. Powerwheels, kids. There you go. Go ahead and start. Go, 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 go. We should have probably put a watermelon out there, Tom. Folks, one of the things on our Demolition Derby, we have the watermelon. The first person to hit a watermelon gets a $50 bill. So throughout our heats here today, we'll put a watermelon out there in the middle, and the first car to hit it, or truck, or whatever, will receive $50 extra, okay? But anyway, here's the little kids who are doing their thing out there. Well, I'll tell you what, it's a little more they're doing their thing. At least they showed up for it. You have to go through the car wash when you're done. But whoa! Hey, you got one. Whoa! Right out, they're moving around. Whoops, that guy got stuck out there. Help that guy out, right out in the middle there. Put it in four-wheel drive. It's going or not. Oh, there you go. Holy moly. Whoa. They know what to do. Folks are getting ready to bring that first heat in there right after the Powerwheels here. So we're going to kick this thing off. We're going to try to keep it moving a little faster today because we have so many cars. We want to keep things moving as smoothly and fast as possible for you, okay? Well, the little kids are having fun, but you know that one he's carrying it off. Well, that'll be next year. Next time around, it'll be drier. You'll be surprised how fast that track dries out once the cars get in there. They'll stir it up. Harder than a wheelbarrow, ain't it? Oh! Got hung up. There you go. We'll let it go for another about 5 minutes here, guys, on the Powerwheels, and then we're going to get them out of there. We'll bring our first heat in. Hey, on the Powerwheels, folks, let's just read off a few of these names. Kids are out there trying. We have Jackson Foss, Ames Hoffman, Mockbeck, Olivia Rhymes, Dawson Bauer, Machi Phelps, Chase, Yale, Chase Simonson. Hey Chase, are you out there? Zane Hart, Thomas Pullen, and Tatum Pullen. Let's give them a round of applause, folks. I tell you one thing. I know it isn't the best situation here today for the little guys. But, you know, I always say this. It could be a lot worse. It could be, ain't it? But it isn't. We got a beautiful day here in downtown Balsam Lake. And again, thank you each and every one of you for coming out today. All right, let's kind of